With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between two types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, LEVOIT's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home. LEVOIT.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with the 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
LEVOIT's LV450CH Ultrasonic Humidifier is a refreshing and revitalizing upgrade to home wellness. With its 360-degree mist nozzle and 3 humidity levels, you'll feel cool anywhere in your home. Its simple one-touch control is intuitive and easy to use. For aromatherapy, simply add your favorite essential oils to the built-in diffuser. The LV450 humidifier runs for up to 40 hours and works quietly through the night, helping to hydrate your skin and stop airborne bacteria. The ultimate 3-in-1 device, the LV450 humidifier brings health and vitality into your home. Breathe easy, knowing your health is being pampered. LEVOIT, wellness plus style actualized.